Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to remove an object from the video by CapCut application. So here I already prepared the video for you, so let's have a check first. So in this video I would like to remove this object from this video, and the thing that we have to do now is just duplicate the clip by click the clip, and after that you just need to take a look on this button feature. And now you just need to slide into the left side until you found a copy. This tools, and then you just need to click it, and whenever you already copied the clip, now we need to make the second clip become an overlay. So you just need to scroll this part into the right side until you find the overlay tool. You just need to click it, and after that you just need to drag the second clip or the overlay clip to have the same position as the primary clip. And whenever you did it, now you just need to go click the overlay part, and after that scroll this part into the left side until you found mask. And when you already found the mask, you just need to click it and choose the circles one. In these circles we need to find out the sample of the part that we want to use for the cover the object. So since this object is in the floor, so let's take the sample on the floor. You just need to adjusting the size of the circle. Okay, wait a minute. Almost there. And whenever we already get the best size, okay, we just need to go click done, this checklist button. And after that we need to pinch the clip by two of our finger to make it bigger while we drag it into the specific part or the object that we want to cover on the primary clip. Adjusting the size with two of your finger and just drop it into the specific object that you want to cover. Hold a second, we need to a perfect adjustment. Okay, and whenever you already got everything just correct, then you just need to go click done. So let's take a look on the video. So that's the way how to remove or cover the object on the video. Hopefully this tutorial is really helpful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this video, and let's meet into the next video tutorial from this channel.